A portion of this video is brought to you by Akara. Can I be real with you guys? You know, I've been making tech videos for over 10 years, and now we're starting to see like this major shift these past 2 years with the focus on being on software over hardware. Sure, the hardware allows the software to do its thing, but the selling point now is about the software and what it can do. Let's talk about the iPhone 16 and Apple Intelligence. In the early fall, the new iPhone 16 was released. And since I've been reviewing phones year over year, it does get a bit harder to justify the next phone over the previous model. There are not many changes and tech breakthroughs that makes each phone different. And honestly, I don't agree with the expectation that there should be a major overhaul. So when I review a new phone, I look at it as a new device and not comparing it to last year's phone. I do the comparisons in a separate video, but the actual review is a standalone video because not many people are upgrading year over year. However, this iPhone, its main selling point is a new feature, or I guess a set of features that will be coming to this device, and also previous years in a limited capacity, and that's Apple Intelligence. We have to examine that decision and truly review the product as it currently is. And since I don't believe in buying products based on promises, but based on what it is today. And when it comes to AI, we know we need to see it to believe it because we have been burned several times in the past. I'm looking at you, Rabbit AI, and I'm definitely looking at you, the Humane Pin. I'm not gonna say I told you guys so, but the iPhone 16 main selling point was Apple AI. All the ads, the banners, and even when you first set up the phone, you know, we're talking about Apple Intelligence. And since it's holiday season, people are looking to buy these phones. And with the branding and the ads, are they really getting what they're expecting? Now, these features are really good to have. I'm not doubting that. But also these features are not unique to Apple. Sure, Apple has a twist on top and a smoothness and an integration that we're not seeing other places. Not gonna deny that. But for some people to believe that these ideas are revolutionary, no, definitely not. But what I do expect is my house to be smart, and today's sponsor, Akara, can help me out with that. And it can help you too. Not only are they sponsoring me, but I've been legit customers for several years. You can even see my iPad video that I made all about my Akara smart home 3 years ago on my channel. What makes Akara great is that they have a wide range of products for any solution you're looking for, and an all-new hub that supports Matter, which gives you brand new options for smart home like this U300 smart lock. And I can unlock my door so many different ways, like a phone, a watch, a fingerprint. This lock looks amazing and is perfect for my basement door. Now personally, I love using Apple's home key feature with my phone or watch. It's so much fun to use. But the fingerprint gives me access when I don't have my phone or watch on me. These presence sensors are great from home automation. When I walk into the kitchen, the lights come on, and I can also set this up to do many different things. You also have temperatures and humidity sensors, and that can trigger things as well, like if you have a smart plug connected to a heater. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Hit my links down below to check them out. Let's get back to the iPhone. So one of the big features is the new notifications, and where it uses AI to give you notification summary. So right here, I get notifications every single day. It just tells me everything about it, like kind of what's happening. So it says new release is popular, take 5 minutes for practical tips. I click it and then it breaks down all the notifications I got, but it just summarizes it in one line. Same thing, multiple people and vehicles detected on driveway and doorbell. When I click it, it actually has every time it happens. And then we also have our new, under focus mode, we have the reduce interruptions notification, which will basically only show us notifications that are important or timely. So you won't get a ton of notifications that you don't really care about. So like when I'm at work or doing something important, I don't need every little notification popping up, but ones that matter the most will then come and alert my phone. And then if you want to fine tune it, you can just press on it again, go to settings, and then from here, you can lock in exactly what people or what apps do you want to allow notifications from. And then also you can just say only time sensitive notifications from this app. It will also allow notifications that seem to be timely. So if there's something that is urgent, it will send through as well. The new photo app is here, and a lot of people actually don't like the new layout. There's been a revolution online of people trying to go back to the old Photos app and stuff like that. I really don't mind it. But what's really cool about it is that you can actually come into here and see all of your memories, which is completely fine, but you can also make a new one. So if I wanna make a new memory, I just press create, and then I could type in certain things. I could say, Manny at the park, and I press submit. Now what it's gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and develop this video of me and my son at the park together. And I think this is great if you're gonna do like a birthday party, you're gonna see someone, you just create a little video and you press the buttons, and then automatically it just makes this beautiful video, and you can go through, you can modify it, you can change it. All right here, just by pressing a couple buttons, you build this library of videos, and you can do a bunch of stuff with it. And then also with Apple Intelligence, you can now use the eraser tool on a photo. I can go to clean up. It's now preparing to clean up, so this takes a few seconds. What it's doing is scanning the picture. And then right here, the things that are glowing are things I can remove from the photo. So all I gotta do is tap it, and then Apple Intelligence will then remove it from the photo. Tap, and it's gone. So now we can go to writing tools. So if we highlight this text, we go to writing tools, we have now a slew of ways we can write this text, right? We can now do proofread, we can rewrite it, we can make it professional, concise, friendly. So let's make it professional. We can go back to the original version of it, or we can even do key points. We could summarize it. I can replace it with that. So I have a lot of things in writing tools as well that we can do. And then here under voice memos, we can just press the 3 buttons in the corner, and then we can view our transcript. We can search the transcript for certain things. I said Costco in here. We can then copy the transcript. And then from here, we can actually put this transcript in notes. And then once we take the transcript to notes, we could then just summarize the key points of the conversation that we had. Now, Apple never said these features are new, but when you base your phone around these new features, it's truly hard to justify the next phone. Apple Intelligence has a lot of upsides, and a lot of things that were demoed in the summer would absolutely be game-changing if they come true. But once again, we can't base the purchase of a new iPhone on what's to come. We have to base it on what's here, and what's here isn't enough. I'm not saying don't buy the iPhone 16, but what I am saying is don't buy it for something that's not out today. Buy it for what you see today. And when Apple AI pushes out with more updates, just see it as value added to the phone that you currently have, because this is the worst Apple AI will be, because it gets better over time and with each update and new features. But we have to see if that actually happens. Those are my thoughts. What are yours? Happy holidays. We'll talk soon.